welcome to day 2 of the International Olympics of Automation Technology here in Nuremberg at the SPS trade show.
Excellent. And the first slot is MX, our new, let's say, cabinet-free automation. We invited our software guys from the MX department. So let's start here, because you told me that this is like a system designer.
That will be the main entrance point if you want to create an MX system, but you don't know your way around what module do I use, what kind of base plate do they have. So it's like you only need to know your actuators, your sensors, you type them in, and we or the system designer derives the modules you need and the base plates you need.
Let's see what has happened in TwinCAT, because this is the system designer we do. Now we take a look into TwinCAT, because TwinCAT is also the backbone for our system, right?
You can choose your modules from a list and build your own configuration, or you can scan the topology automatically. It's really the same. We have developed a smartphone app for diagnosis.
Okay, so your app is connected via Bluetooth to our base plate.
Yes.
Okay, what is next?
Now you can choose a module. So let's say we go for the input, and then you choose the PDO to see. So this is representing the display of the module right now.
Okay.
And if you push that button...
So I simulate now an action. Yes, and I see input 7, change the color, and now it's changing back. Here we go, okay.
Michael, what can you tell us? What are the advantages of having TwinCAT Vision?
Yeah, it starts with some simple applications like we see here with the edge detection and goes up to a several camera system with very complex inspections. And the main advantage is based on our deep integration. So on one hand, we see the integration in an engineering environment where you don't need any other additional tools. You can configure the cameras inside the same system manager and program it directly.
Design their own motors and manufacture them. So what were the key reasons for this development, Michael?
One of the most topic what we have to during our development phase is a high kappa fill factor inside. This means the high power density is the result of this one. High power density, for explanation, is highest possible torque on the lowest installation space.
Okay.
What you can realize.
That means inside here, basically, we have the highest density of copper, and that brings us the higher power output, correct?
Exactly.
And it's so amazing that after we heard about OCT, one cable technology, I like to talk with Rob now about NCT, no cable technology. So what is the secret of no cable technology, Rob?
So with the no cable technology, what we've done here is on the normal or extended XTS module, we've used the other side that we didn't have a function for before. That's now providing us power and data to the mover.
Yeah.
So we can do all kinds of different things with the mover now.
Yeah, but power to the mover, but there's no cable, right?
There's no cable.
So we transport from the track up to the mover energy and data.
Yep.
Last but not least, we are standing here at the Beckhoff booth. Lots of highlights. Is there one technology where your customers can't get around when they talk with you?
But first of all, I think that EtherCAT is definitely a key differentiator. It's a future-proof technology. First, because it is the fastest field bus in the marketplace. And this is well explained by the working principle of the protocol. Indeed, the telegram goes through each individual node, participant in the network, and processing on the fly, reading and writing by each node is allowed on the fly. This, of course, reduce the cycle time for executing communication. And along with the distributed clock technology, you can really accurately synchronize all the nodes. But of course, then if you are a machine builder and then you adopt a powerful, strong PC-based control with high computing power and a fast EtherCAT field bus, you can definitely run your machine faster, you can increase.
We are able to make sure that we still deliver PCs and I/O terminals and everything despite all the challenges. Maybe you can take us a little bit on the journey of what we are doing to make sure that actually the EL terminals, the IPCs are coming out of our doors and fairs.
Yeah. And first of all, I would like to mention that we did everything to be able to increase our internal capacities in our production facilities by 50%. Secondly, we increased our warehouse, our raw materials on stock dramatically because we are privately owned. I think we have some advantages other companies might not. First of all, we are really flexible. Meaning that whenever we decide, okay, we need to buy something for a huge amount on the broker market right now, it's just basically a call to my dad and saying, we found this is the increase of the price, can we take it or can we not?
I can promise you at home that tomorrow we will actually present 2 new embedded PCs.
Yes.
Thank you and see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Have a good
Bye.
day.